For academics facing a career gap due to immigration issues or other challenging circumstances, re-entering the academic world can seem overwhelming, but there are practical steps to ease the transition. One of the first things to consider is updating your research skills and knowledge. Taking online courses, attending workshops, or even pursuing a short-term postdoctoral fellowship can help refresh your expertise. For example, if your field has rapidly evolved during your time away, enrolling in a relevant MOOC, massive open online course, can update you on the latest methodologies and theories. This not only boosts your confidence, but also makes your application to future positions more competitive. Another key strategy is to rebuild your professional network. It can be extremely helpful to reconnect with former colleagues or mentors, or to join academic societies and attend conferences, even if virtually. Networking events are not just opportunities to share your work, they are also a chance to learn about emerging trends in your field and potential job openings. How can reconnecting with peers help? In many cases, personal recommendations and collaborative projects are the stepping stones to re-entering academia, especially when there is a gap in your employment history. In addition, consider developing a clear narrative that explains your career gap in a positive light. Many employers value resilience and the unique perspectives that come from overcoming adversity. When you discuss your gap in interviews or on your CV, emphasize the skills and experiences you gained during that period, be it volunteer work, independent research, or managing personal challenges. For instance, if you spent time working on independent research projects while navigating immigration hurdles, highlight how these experiences enhanced your problem-solving skills and adaptability. Financial support is another important area to explore. Look for grants, fellowships, or re-entry programs designed specifically for academics returning to the field. Various institutions and funding bodies recognize that career interruptions are sometimes unavoidable and offer programs to help bridge these gaps. By securing such funding, you not only alleviate financial concerns, but also demonstrate your commitment to resuming your academic career. Lastly, consider seeking professional development advice from career counselors who specialize in academia. They can help tailor your CV, prepare you for interviews, and guide you in crafting a strategic plan for your re-entry. This guidance is crucial because the academic job market can be highly competitive, and having expert advice can make a significant difference. Overall, while a career gap can present challenges, it also offers an opportunity to grow, update your skills, and approach your career with a renewed sense of purpose. By investing in continuous learning, rebuilding your network, articulating your experiences effectively, and seeking out supportive programs, you can create a robust strategy for re-entering the academic arena. What steps will you take today to turn your career gap into a period of growth and opportunity? The journey may be challenging, but with the right plan, you can successfully navigate your way back to a fulfilling academic career. Career gaps are a common and understandable part of many professional journeys, often resulting from external factors such as immigration challenges or economic shifts. These gaps do not define your overall academic and research potential. Understanding that career interruptions can be learning experiences helps build resilience and encourages proactive planning. Acknowledging these gaps as part of a broader career narrative is the first step toward future success. For instance, an academic who faced job loss due to relocation may use the gap to reflect on new directions and adjust future goals. It's like taking a detour during a road trip. You may stray from the planned route, but the journey continues and often reveals new, valuable experiences. Begin by evaluating your existing skills, achievements, and areas of expertise accumulated over your career. This self-assessment helps identify transferable skills and strengths that remain relevant despite the career gap. By documenting your successes, you can build confidence and create a foundation for re-entering the academic field. Reflecting on your past contributions allows you to articulate your value in a clear, compelling manner. For example, an academic might list research projects, teaching experiences, and publications to showcase their sustained expertise. It's like taking stock of ingredients in your pantry before cooking a meal. You identify what you already have and plan your recipe accordingly. Continual learning is essential for bridging the gap between past expertise and current trends in your field. Enrolling in online courses, workshops, or attending webinars can help you update your skills and knowledge base. This proactive approach demonstrates your commitment to staying current and adaptable. It also opens opportunities to acquire new techniques that complement your existing expertise. For instance, an academic might complete an online course on emerging research methodologies to remain competitive in the evolving scientific landscape. It's like updating the software on your computer to ensure it runs the latest applications smoothly and efficiently. Reconnecting with former colleagues and engaging with new professional contacts can be pivotal in bridging a career gap. Networking activities such as attending conferences and joining online academic communities provide valuable opportunities for collaboration and job referrals. Maintaining these relationships is key to staying informed about new opportunities and industry trends. By rebuilding your network, you create a supportive environment that encourages mutual growth and collaboration. For example, an academic may join a professional social media group where peers share job openings and collaborate on research projects. It's like reconnecting with old friends and making new ones in a community. Each relationship can offer support and open doors to new experiences. A well-crafted resume and updated online profile are essential for communicating your skills and experiences despite any career gaps. Tailoring your resume to highlight your accomplishments and relevant skills helps potential employers see your value beyond the interruption. Clear, focused documentation of your academic achievements can bridge the gap and demonstrate continued expertise. Presenting yourself confidently and transparently builds trust with future collaborators and employers. For instance, an academic might update their online profile to feature recent certifications, projects, and publications that illustrate their ongoing commitment to research. It's like refreshing your portfolio or resume before applying for a new job. It ensures that your best work is showcased regardless of past interruptions. Engaging with a mentor or professional support group can provide guidance, encouragement, and practical advice during a career gap. Mentorship helps you navigate challenges by offering insight into current industry practices and strategies for re-entry. Support networks foster accountability and can help you set achievable goals for your professional comeback. Regular interaction with mentors can also lead to opportunities for collaboration and growth. For example, an academic may join a mentoring program specifically designed for professionals returning to research after a break. It's like having a coach who not only trains you for a sport but also offers advice on recovering from setbacks and strategizing for future victories. Exploring alternative academic opportunities such as consulting, freelance research projects, or guest lecturing can be an effective way to reestablish your career momentum. These roles allow you to apply your expertise while filling gaps in your professional record. Engaging in short-term projects or teaching assignments provides valuable experience and demonstrates ongoing commitment to your field. Such opportunities can also help expand your network and lead to more permanent positions. For instance, an academic might take on consultancy projects or adjunct teaching roles to showcase their expertise and remain active in the community. It's like taking temporary gigs to build your resume while waiting for a full-time position. The experience helps you stay engaged and competitive. Adopting a growth mindset is crucial for overcoming the challenges associated with a career gap. This approach involves viewing setbacks as opportunities for learning and personal development rather than as permanent failures. By believing that skills and abilities can be improved with effort, you remain open to new experiences and continuous growth. Embracing this mindset builds resilience and fuels your journey toward reestablishing your academic career. For example, an academic who struggles with a difficult science concept chooses to view mistakes as learning opportunities and continues to work on the problem until they understand it. It's like planting a seed in a garden. Even if it encounters obstacles, proper care and patience will eventually lead to a healthy, thriving plant. Developing a clear, actionable plan for re-entering the academic workforce helps to bridge the gap and achieve long-term career goals. This plan should include setting short-term milestones, updating skills, networking, and identifying potential opportunities in your field. A structured plan provides a roadmap that guides your efforts and builds momentum over time. With persistence and focused strategy, you can transform a career gap into a stepping stone for future success. For instance, an academic might create a timeline that outlines specific goals, such as completing professional development courses, attending industry events, and applying for positions within a set time frame. It's like mapping out a road trip. You plan your stops, refuel along the way, and set milestones to reach your final destination, ensuring a smooth journey despite detours.